Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely wonderful 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC 250 SUV. Now this car is finished in the blue metallic, and as you can see straight away it's got the optional extra of the 20-inch alloy wheels and also the side runners or side steps. Now this car is one we supplied to the last keeper at around 14,000 miles, and when I say a last keeper, he's probably family, this gentleman now. He's bought so many cars over the years off us. We maintain them for him, and whilst he owns them in our in-house service department. So this one is as good as owning it myself, to be fair. So let's have a look around the car. So the blue metallic paint finish is gorgeous. One of the best colours for these cars is this. It really does show off all the beautiful chrome, the silver detail, the LED running lights, the roof bars, the whole shebang it shows. It's also then sitting on the factory optional extra of the 18-inch bi-colour diamond turned alloy wheels, and they're shod in fantastic tyres. Now when we detail the car in the service department, we'll remove the wheels, we'll polish the calipers and just detail the discs so they look absolutely as new. The aluminium side steps, they're in super condition. I just think that these GLCs, when we sell them with side steps, always just adds to it. They're about £750 to fit at the Mercedes dealership. But yeah, this car's got the privacy glass in the rear, and then we've got the chrome detailing around the windows, following through then with the roof bars. Looking down the side of the car, it's in lovely order. No dent man dings really I can talk to you about. We do have a dent man who does go around all our vehicles, so that when you do come to view them or collect them, they are presented to the high standards straight off the bat. We're not doing the jobs after to sell the car, we do them before. Preparation is the key in anything in life, and we're the same with our vehicles. All the wheels are in superb condition, very well maintained, very careful driver this. I'd be happy with this car on my own personal drive. I've used it for a week. It was on a private registration before we put it on sale, and it drives silky smooth. These have a 9-speed automatic gearbox. I drove one to London for a customer delivering it once, and this car, or that car, at an average of 68 miles an hour was returning me just on 60 miles to the gallon on the motorway. Absolutely wonderful. So when we open the doors, we get met by the black ash wood there with the silver contrast and detail. Heated seats on this one, power folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, electric boot release, and also then we get the chrome kick plates, aluminium pedal set with it being an AMG. Leather seats are then stitched in the very, very light silver grey, and they're in exceptional order. And then when we look at the dashboard, it's very welcoming, very easy to read, that screen in the centre, but everything is there that you'd want on a modern car. So we've got the automatic headlamps, we've got multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift. If you want to drive it as a manual vehicle, you can do that. Cruise control and speed limiter. And then coming up into the centre console there, we've got the vehicle settings. We can change all of those through the onboard system. So navigation will come up there, view the map, spin the wheel, and obviously you've got the variety of radio. We've got the DAB, media player, we've got CD, auxiliary, Bluetooth streaming, mobile phone preparation as well, so we can put our phone on. And then we've got the car vehicle settings. We've got dynamic select in drive, so we can have eco, we can have comfort, we can have adapt. We can do everything on this car. Coming down to the centre screen then around this wheel, dynamic drives here, parking sensors there. We've got variety of buttons, automatic stop start, switch the screen off, switch it back on, variety. The wheel itself then we can just move around. Very, very simple. Cup holders there. We do have 2 keys for the vehicle as well, full set of AMG tailored mats. But what a wonderful car. 24,500 miles, and well, 24,520 miles, As I rev the car up there, you can see no warning lights or anything there on the dashboard. Stop start on the yellow right. We've got it set in individual, so as I change that, I go to sport, and it changes in the top left hand corner to sport. I like driving them in comfort. That's a nice medium, you know, I'm not a boy racer anymore. But what a wonderful, wonderful car. You would be absolutely over the moon. You'd be pleased to know that I don't smoke, and neither has the previous keepers on the car. The car smells fresh, clean, and is very warm and welcoming. But the detail on a Mercedes GLC is exceptional. That's why you see so many of them around. They do phenomenal MPG with it being an SUV. Four-wheel drive if you need it, so you're not stuck on the drive in winter. Taking a look in the rear, very, very lightly used by the last keeper. But you've got the Isofix, you've then got this contrast stitch still in the back as well. The sense of occasion in the rear is as impressive as it is in the front. Power vents and air vents, black roof line in there, and a really, really large boot, which we'll have a look at now. Coming round to the rear, we've got those lovely LED style lights, electric boot, press it once it opens up, and then we've then got a super large boot area. There's the mats, we've washed them, they're ready to go back in the car. You do have a lockable boot floor, so if you've got valuables, you can store them underneath. We've got the shopping basket there, which comes with the Mercedes. We've got the load through net to stop things sliding. We've got the cargo net, the locking wheel nuts, etc. But a wonderful example of a very, very popular vehicle. Twin tailpipes at the back as well, but arguably one of the best 4 or 5 door SUVs on the market. This Mercedes really do know how to do it proper on this car. So if you'd like to reserve this car, give me a call here. We'll take a £250 deposit. That will then put it into our department for preparation. You will only then have to visit Wigan once, at which point then once you're happy with it, you've test drove it, you've inspected it, it's up to the standard that you want to purchase. If not, we refund you £250, the car goes back on sale, no problem. If you've got finance, we can sort all that out before you do come to us in Wigan. It's a secure portal. You sign your documents. Once you've approved it, we sign ours, and the car gets paid out, and your monthly payment starts 1 month after you've collected it. So we've got PCP, we've got HP on this, we've got part exchange as well. Give us a call, we'll give you a price over the phone, and then you, as I say, only need to come to Wigan once on a reserve and collect. Check out our reviews, check out our Facebook and social media pages. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK collecting cars just in the same way as you do. So we've been in business over 40 years now. We have some of the finest cars on Auto Trader presented to the highest of standards. So as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.